Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Make.com AI scenarios for marketing automations, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing Make.com AI scenarios for marketing automations, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Make.com website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Click on the Templates option on the left sidebar. In the Templates section, use the search bar to find AI scenarios related to marketing automation. Browse through the list of available templates. Select a template that suits your marketing needs by clicking on it. You will be directed to a detailed view of the selected template. Review the description and features of the template to ensure it meets your requirements. On the template page, click the Use Template button. You will be prompted to configure the template. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your marketing tools and services. Authorize Make.com to access your accounts if required. Once connected, review the automation steps outlined in the template. Customize any parameters as needed for your specific marketing strategy. Next, click on the Save button to store your modified scenario. After saving, return to your dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Scenarios tab. Locate your newly created scenario in the list. To run your scenario, click on the Run button. Monitor the execution of your marketing automation. If everything operates as expected, your AI scenario is now successfully installed and functioning. Make sure to revisit and adjust your scenarios based on analytical insights and performance feedback. This will help optimize your marketing efforts over time. Congratulations on setting up your Make.com AI scenarios for marketing automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.